everyone. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2022-23. I am Arha Wadikar and these are my teammates Manishika and Eka Pragnya.
Our theme is to build solutions to make every citizen of India adopt an environmentally conscious lifestyle. Our project is to build an app that allows people to rent bicycles from other people.
About 14 to 16% of India's greenhouse gas emissions comes from the transport industry. This is a significant amount of pollution from one single industry. How can we reduce these emissions? Why do we need to use our cars and scooters for going short distances? When a car is not necessary, we can use cheaper and cleaner alternatives like bicycle.
With our app, we want to provide everyone with access to that choice. The app helps both the renter and the rentee. The rentee can now rent a bicycle instead of investing in buying one, and the renter by allowing them to rent bicycles for profit. By doing this, we will be able to minimize how much air pollution cars emit.
There are many benefits of traveling by bicycle, such as increased cardiovascular fitness, increased muscle strength and flexibility, improved joint mobility, decreased stress levels, improved posture and coordination, strengthened bones, decreased body fat levels, and prevention of diseases. Both renter and rentee must sign up before they can use the app by verifying users with their Aadhaar cards for safety purposes. Then, renter must register a bicycle so that they may rent it.
When the rentee opens the renting page, they can see a list of bicycles available for rent in their area. Using this list, they may make requests for bicycles.
Once the request is accepted, they may proceed to payment options. The renter must pay a security deposit and the rental fee before renting the bike. The pickup and the drop-off of the cycle must be confirmed by both parties.
We first researched the bicycling culture in Mysore and other similar solutions that were already in effect. This helped us to get a general idea of our target group and how we should go about making the app.
If we are selected for the top 350, we can add a chat feature so that the renter and rentee can communicate with each other easily and find ways to promote the app so it can reach a wider audience. We could also implement a way to track the amount of time a person spends on a bicycle and reward them if they spend a certain amount of time riding a bicycle.
I surveyed to get the primary data.
I coded the app and made the flowchart.
I wrote the project report and the video script and did secondary research.